Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. I am Ejazul Haq. Today I will discuss about the importance of career counseling. Career counseling is something underestimated in many countries across the world. Pakistan is one such country where career counseling only becomes necessary once we have completed our higher secondary education. Why is career counseling not given due importance? The primary motive of the parents is to get their children good grades. They want to admit their kids to professional institutes from where they can get degrees to earn loads of money. Parents are only concerned about the status and what people might say about it. They live their entire lives competing for the rat race and want to do the same for their children. Every parent you met, they want their children to become an engineer or a doctor. They think that their children does not have many career options available. At this time, the students do not try to ascertain their interests and aptitude towards a particular occupation. They do think about the fact that their career will choose the type of life they would lead in the future. Here are some important reasons why a student in Pakistan must get career counseling. The first one is understand the perks and disadvantages of pursuing a career. An important part of career counseling is to let the student know about the pros and cons of choosing a profession. Students tend to get over ambitious about a particular job because they have heard good things about it from their peers. However, they cannot see the challenges that come with each job. A career counseling session helps them understand the various problems which come along with choosing of a profession. They can strain if they understand these potential challenges and can overcome them. A career counselor gives them practical advice on those aspects of, of a job they tend to overlook. The second one is career counselors understand market trends. Market trends keep changing now and then. There was a time when getting an engineering or doctor degree made the future of a student secure. However, many new professions are offering alternate career options to the student. A decade or more ago, students did not think of computer software engineering as a accurate occupation. These days, a lot of students tend to option for computer science subject in their bachelor's or master degree. Career counseling helps students set realistic expectations about the profession of their choice. A career counselor also educates and informs them about other options that they have not been able to identify. The third one is career counseling helps you to understand your strength and weakness. Your aptitude, skills tests, and personality also play a significant role in choosing an occupation. As a student would tend to get distracted by money, peer pressure, or other factors in selecting a career. However, you may not be suitable for a particular profession. A career counseling session helps you to understand your traits. You can know your strength and weakness to see which job will suit you best. It is important for you to choose a profession that you like. If you get into a profession just for the sake of earning more money, you may not like it. If you do not like your profession, you will not be able to become very successful at it. At the end, I will conclude that the importance of the career counseling for students is major because it can open many doors and make discovering new way for young students. It can push forward many possibilities for students who believe they were lost and completely without issue. Thank you for watching my video.